All right, guys. It's crazy. I mean, as you can see, this is just a very, very, very technical market. You know, if I don't see all those stars in line, I'm not going to be able to trade on. Yesterday, I put that short on with conviction. I want to kind of show you guys why and kind of what I mean when I'm talking about following the direction order flow. So we posted yesterday, the end of day. I said I was seeing something, right? We had this valid 4-hour supply zone that caused a break of structure, which is why it was valid. Okay, because the directional order flow is obviously we are saying supply respected and then demand disrespected or invalidated. Okay, so that was kind of our projected move right there. That was precisely what gave us 135% on these puts that we had alerted right there. So you know, I want to jump into the chart, show you guys kind of what I mean when I'm talking about following that directional order flow. So we have our 4-hour supply zone right there. Okay, so again, we caught the long yesterday, right? But we didn't chase the short anywhere down here, right? You know, I needed to see that 45.17 level supply trade. So if we are looking left here, we can see that the obvious direction of order flow on the hourly is, you know, we're making lower highs, lower lows, right? So if you think about it, with each consecutive bounce, it's being sold into, right? Because we are seeing the direction order flow is bearish, right? So we are seeing supply respected. Why was this valid supply right here? Well, it's pretty easy, right? That supply zone caused a break of structure, meaning that the market is selling off, right? Lower high, lower low, right? Sold off again. Okay, so obviously we want to look for bounces back into supply with targeting the weak lows, just like, I mean, literally just like that. So again, this was valid supply, our 45.17 on the 4-hour, which is found on the 4-hour. That's valid supply, guys, because it caused a break of structure. Okay, so the setup again was quite simple, actually. The setup was, I said we can look for a retest of Friday's lows, okay, which is 44.74, right? 44.74. Okay, so that was kind of the setup right there, guys. Look, the movement to supply, and then we get this a perfect test into supply and a huge sell-off. So let's go into a 30-minute chart. Let's dive into here again, right? Get the lower high, right? Here's a lower high, right? Forming valid supply because it caused a break of structure right there. We don't chase the short in the middle, right? Inside no man's land. We waited until the end of the day, ramp into supply or the bull trap as we were looking for, and check it out, right to our target. Target has been met, guys. That's a massive 48-point sell. We also talked about the QQQ. Okay, QQQ had these equal lows that we were talking about yesterday. Equal lows are fishy, guys. When we see these equal lows form like this, inside a downtrend, we are seeing essentially the market do this, right? We are seeing a double bottom, right, where you have naive retail traders saying, "Oh, look, it's a double bottom, so they're going to put stop losses, right? This is a dollar sign. They're going to put stop losses all below here." Okay, smart money knows that, right? You know. So what's going to happen is they're going to use them as liquidity, right? They're going to break that quote-unquote double bottom that they bought with stops below, and then they're going to stop them out. And that's exactly what we saw here. The equal lows are broken, and that's exactly how I had conviction on the sell to come.